Hello, EDSE 549. This is the assessment course in the visual impairment program. My name is Genevieve Francor Anderson, and I'm the teaching assistant for this course. I'm in my third year as a doctoral student. I'm a teacher of the visually impaired and a certified orientation and mobility specialist. My favorite thing to do is work with kids with additional disabilities, multiple disabilities, and deaf blindness. I'm studying deaf blindness in the doctoral program. And I'm getting a BCBA, so I'm very interested in behavior and applied behavior analysis and how that works with kids who are deafblind. This assessment course is one of my very favorite courses. I love assessment. I think there's so much you can learn from a kid through progress monitoring and assessment. And I'm very excited. I think it's going to be a great semester. A little bit about myself beyond teaching and getting my PhD in deafblind studies. I am a mom. I have 4 children, which is probably more shocking to me than it is to you. So I just had my 4th baby this past summer. My oldest is going to be 15 years old. So I'm gonna answer that question that you're thinking about right now. Is this her second marriage or her third marriage? No, I got one baby daddy. But that is a question everybody's asked me. It's like, is this your 3rd marriage, your 4th marriage? No, they all belong to the same man. We're just kind of loony. So I've got a 15-year-old and a 13-year-old and a 9-year-old and a 5-month-old. And so I've been busy doing that and in writing my major paper in the doctoral program. And when you get a PhD, before you can work on your dissertation proposal, UNC has you put together a matrix with a major paper, and I'm finding out it's called a major paper for a reason. It is major. So I've been furiously writing that so I can move on to other things, like, just get it done. I gotta just get her done. So been working on that, and now I'm going to be working as a teaching assistant for this course. So super busy, but again, I love this class. I think there's some. Assessment is one of those things where people always think, I have to assess, or I've got so many triennials in the next month or two. How am I going to get through all this? And really, we have to think of assessment as something more than what we do every 3 years. It's progress monitoring. It's something that we need to be doing all of the time. And so I think when you have that mentality through this semester, it's very important. It's not just something we do when we first meet a kid or when we're coming up with goals. It's something we need to be doing every day. It's more than just at a triennial. It's something we do every day. And it's very important that all of our goals, I can't stress this enough, all of our goals should go back to our assessment results. And that when I was a teaching assistant for this course last year, I think that was one of the major issues that a lot of students seem to have, as they have these really great assessment reports, and then their goals would not be tied to their assessment results. So I think that if you're just thinking about that when you're going into the assessment, and making sure that the goals that you write they reflect your assessment results, because everything should be tied together. Otherwise, your goals aren't going to be reflective. Let me back up. Your assessment is not going to be reflective in your goal, and then you've written goals that aren't going to be valuable to the student, and you won't make progress. So I think I've said a lot, but so again, my name is Genevieve. I go by Jenna, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me. I try to get back in a reasonable amount of time, and yeah, I think it's going to be a great semester.